for the feeling.
I'm a paradise where the broken come alive. Golden shadows in your eyes, dancing slowly through the night. No heaven, no lights, only rhythm hypnotizing the eye. No the bassline move like ocean waves, slow, heavy, spiritual. Palm trees swaying under violet skies, bodies melting into silhouettes, smoke floating through laser lights. You touch my hand and suddenly the entire room's floodplain. Cold hearts under warm neon, late nights turning dangerous, champagne tears on marble floors. Love feels cinematic when it hurts. Chrome reflections on your skin, dark perfume and adrenaline. We move silent through the crowd, like ghosts that nobody understands. Songs played, don't let the sunrise ruin this. The room breathing with the kick drum, low frequency shaking the ceiling. That silhouette is humming in the smoke. Everything looked expensive, but emotionally barren. That's why it felt beautiful. We disappeared inside the rhythm. No phones, no conversations, only movement. Your eyes reflecting the city lights like stars drowning in slow motion. Every drum felt deeper than memory. Every second felt illegal to live. Homes on paradise, we get lost to feel alive. Velvet nights and flashing lights, cross dancing on the edge tonight. No future, no past, only this quick we feel lost. 4 a.m. The music's softer now, the crowd becoming shadows again. Empty champagne bottles, funny the streets, burned out emotions. You smile like the I've ever had, maybe it didn't. Some nights stay inside you forever. Phantom Afro drums in the distance, 808 shaking underground stations. Everybody lost in motion, nobody asking questions.
Sahara, Tokyo, hearts glowing in the indigo. Lost souls moving digital. Slow dance through the overload. Sahara, Tokyo, baseline spiritual. Dark nights beautiful. We don't wanna go home. Chrome reflections on your face. You look dangerous in neon rain. Tokyo lights across your skin like cyber dreams mixed with sin. Drifting fast through empty roads. Bass vibrating through our bones. Streetlights melting in the fog like stars falling one by one.
Dark clubs on the skyscrapers, laser smoking foreign flavors. Everybody moving slower when the Afro drums take over. You dance like midnight fire, like temptation mixed with desire. Like something I should escape from but never wanna.
No maps, no future, only tonight. The city vanished behind us, only rhythm remained. No language, no reality, just frequencies connecting strangers. Tokyo skies looked artificial tonight, but your eyes didn't. Sahara, Tokyo, night souls moving vertical. Cold world, beautiful, under violet audio. Sahara, Tokyo, hearts beating triple slow. One more ride before the dawn. One more night before we're gone.
sunset reflections on your skin. And somewhere in the distance, the drums keep calling.
We don't need words tonight. The rhythm says enough. Every soul becomes alive inside the fire of the drum.